Welcome back to Watashi Dolma's channel. So today we plan to go for a team dinner nearby our hostel. So keep watching and we'll show you everything. Bye bye. Now I'm going to changing room to change my uniform. You girls are so slow. These are my girl and we're going for a team dinner. This small girl was dancing on the road but I couldn't shoot everything. So we are going in this restaurant. This is Eden Hut and as you can see this look very beautiful in the night with all the lights and all, and my teams are planning to make some reels. Only dancer. So we already ordered a dinner and we are waiting for the dinner. One more cake.
If I am standing there, nobody can stand. I'm not. Actually, Christmas is also what to
YouTuber is there. Please subscribe to his channel. Also, what is your channel name? Joy Tripura. Please subscribe to the Coughing Man's YouTube channel. Joy Tripura. We have already finished our starters and now we are having main course. Today, she is the one. Previous life waiter she was. She's collecting all the papers and keeping it.
She's also there, please. कुछ खाना है जो like without salt. Without salt.
1, 2, 3. Which one?
Sister, this one is it. This is very nice.
Latecomers and still eating.
They're making for them to make real.
Okay, now our dinner had finished and now we are going to take some pictures and make some reels over here.
You want to take photo?
We just finished our dinner and you can see my team over here, Sundari. Must be very tired after dancing, right? We just came to meet our staff. On duty, Jaya. They all are laughing on the reels we made in Eden Hut restaurant. They're showing to Jaya. Ice cream tea. These are ice cream tea. Now we came here for some ice cream. I bought this ice cream. Show your ice cream. Yay! Fun party. Yeah, I have this candy. So we all went to the first girl room and made one reels over there. After that we went to our own hostel. Ladies, Tenzin, Mojida, Swagada. Now I'm back to my room. I've changed already and it's 10:30 p.m. So till the next vlog, bye bye.